Hi everyone, I'm Alex, your personal trainer. I am here to show you an exercise using the medicine ball. Obviously medicine balls are used for all sorts of great things like medicine ball slams and the like. I'm going to show you something a little bit different. We are going to do a core and shoulder exercise. So step one would be to lay on the ground, and then we are going to hold the medicine ball about chest height, come down, do a sit-up and press. Do a sit-up and press. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can actually press in different directions. So you can do a sit-up, come out to the side, sit-up, kind of straight up, sit-up, come out to the other side. For more tips and tricks, along with how to purchase a medicine ball, please visit our website at travelingtrainers.com.